A mortgage point of sale, or POS system, is a piece of front-end digital mortgage technology that your customers can actually interact with. It provides them with all of the tools they need to do business with you online. These tools typically include a digital and customizable 1003 application that can be linked to your website, a back-end digital portal for potential borrowers to upload and e-sign documents, all tied together with an automated system to send out task, document, and status reminders to all parties involved. Get all of these point-of-sale tools integrated in a world-class mortgage CRM with BNTouch.